Can it pay you people always listen to my statements? I said the problem that we are having in Nigeria, 99.9 problem is the masses. Eh, you can see this woman now. If you go and watch the woman's video, the woman was cursing people that are against Renew Hope in Nigeria. You can imagine. No, after he collected that thing, assuming that the woman did not see that thing collect, him go join us say these people are talking against them, let me to join because I don't see anything collect. But as him don collect am now, him dey praise them. You know say smiling before election, before voting is our joy, is the joy of the masses. After election, suffering after election is the national anthem of the masses because the politicians that gather their money together to buy this kind of kit before they enter, definitely you are expecting that person to lose, or how will the person get the money back? This life is a business. You cannot eat their capital and expect them to be spending their gain on you. It's not possible. You are going to suffer. We masses are going to suffer. These politicians will make us to understand that use your brain, don't use your eyes, use your brain. Because wetin we dey see for Nigeria now is no longer to talk about. You see all those people, na same Lagos o. Na same Lagos dem dey protest say light no dey o. They don forget say Adelabu na APC. They don forget o. I don't know the reason why they are protesting o. Because I've already told them that for Minister of Power to be using power bank, the okunkun of Olokunkun, the Minister of Darkness, the Minister of Power that enter and light disappear is using power bank, is even advertising solar. So who are you not to use solar? Who are you not to use power bank? Who are you to protest? The person that's already asked for our trust and confidence in him. So you are not telling us that he's not doing well. Come off it. You people should leave that street now. You don't have the right to protest too. If you protest, you are finding trouble. You are finding trouble of the masses. Because you can see your mates are going there to praise our renewed hope that we are hoping in 2027 election. Say, hope we enter. We even see ourselves in hope immaculate. There is nothing you're not going to tell me. Me, I shall deal with our politicians. Anywhere you direct us, that smiling before election and suffering after election is now a Nigerian problem. And if this kind of woman, if you meet them on road, they will tell you, he has spoiled in this time. He has spoiled in the beginning. Who is going to do it? Unless who is going to do it when they are now turning it to a hereditary problem? You people will now full church to be praying to God that God should take poverty away from you. Efela.